Good afternoon, everyone. Hello. Happy Thursday. And welcome to today's Fun with Slime. Hello. Okay, well today we've got our special wheel with the animals on. So we've got two more animals to learn, and also the farmer. And then Bethany is going to spin the wheel 3 times.
Hi, Mum.
And the animals that it lands on, we will sing Old MacDonald tomorrow. Okay, we'll use those animals because there's too many animals, so we'll only have 3. Okay, so Bethany, come over here first, and we've got the first.
Hello.
The first one. Oh, remember chicken? Chicken? That's chicken. Good impression. Chicken. And duck. Duck. So that's chicken. They're very similar. Chicken and duck. Okay, do the chicken again. Brilliant. Chicken and a duck. Okay, and who's this little man here? Is the farmer. Right, farmer. Do the farmer. Do you remember the sign? That's it. So it's like braces, but you put your hands on your hip. Farmer. Farmer. That's it. Well done, Bethany. Do that again so people can see. Get back a little bit. Do it again. That's it. Farmer. Cool. Wow. Okay, Bethany, you're going to spin the wheel to decide what animals we are going to use tomorrow in our singing to Old MacDonald. Right.
Pig.
So, the first one is the pig. So we'll be signing. What's the sign for pig? Pig. Okay, so we'll take that off. And what? Another one, please. So it's Old MacDonald. Remember? Oh, lip pattern. Oh, do it again quickly. That lip pattern is very important. Oh, so that is horse. Okay. Horse, if you remember horse. Brilliant. Okay, one more. Go to that side. Go to that side so people can see. Okay. What's it going to land on? The last animal.
Dog.
Right, okay. What's the sign for dog? Can you remember? So remember the 2 fingers? Dog. Dog. So, come here. Come here. Right, come here. We'll go through them again quickly. So, horse. Pig. Pig. And I don't know where the dog's gone, but dog. Oh, there he is. Dog. Do the sign for dog. No, just do the sign so people can see. That's it. Okay, so tomorrow we will be singing. Oh, singing and signing to Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. Okay, we look forward to doing that with you, and hopefully you'll join in. So we will see you tomorrow.
Friday, have start the week.
Yes, tomorrow's Friday. It's the last day at school tomorrow for the week. Bye.
And
Stay safe.
in the mummy house.
Bye bye.